guys, sorry my mouth looks weird because I'm sucking on some swollen because my gala is always cut as you know. But quickly gonna go down. This mess is not where I'm sleeping right now. As you know, I've been sleeping in the other room, so I just use this to film, which is why this room is a giant mess and we need to fix that. But before that, Mr. needs a walk. Okay, back home. Love my morning walks with Mars. I really enjoy them. You know, to see the sea face, it's just beautiful. And then we see Mama every morning that gives Mars a massage because he just loves him so much, and it's just too cute to watch. And yeah, now back home. It's going to be a busy Sunday. I've got to do some gardening for my plants, which I haven't done since the last vlog when I did it, like just watering but not really cleaning and all that. And then we've got to give Mars a bath today and clean this kachara. So this side is relatively clean and it'll take me just 5 minutes because I've just got to move this table back into the living room. I had bought it for a shoot and clean this up. But it's always like one side is clean and then one side is crazy. Why? Why, Shari? Why?
Shame, think something new under sun.
Okay folks, I feel like I've done like a decent half-baked job and Mars is barking at the cats downstairs. Mars! This bed is still a mess, but I don't have to sleep here, so it's okay. This is still a mess. I'll have to do that another day. Mars! They're just cats. Stop it. So yeah, he gets very angry with the cats downstairs. Also, it's very grey. Mars! Like I look like a tube light right now, right? Like it's a very grey day. So I'm very happy with this side, completely clean except for this. This is like a whole different beast. I've got to clean my bookshelf. Like that'll take a day in itself, which will be another day. The towel adds to the aesthetic, guys, of the like old world charm along with the leaky wall and all that, you know, like it's a vibe. So yeah, this side is good. Now moving on to this side. This still needs to be cleaned. This, I'm not sleeping here right now, so it's fine. This furniture is only there because I think I have to shoot something tomorrow where I might need the table and stool, so I'm not going to put it out yet. But otherwise, again, I've done a good job of cleaning. Yeah, this is just some stuff I have to put away. So here we have the book I'm reading by Vex King. You guys saw this is my favorite. Some swimwear someone sent me. Hopefully I can go to a pool soon. And this table, guys, I get a lot of questions about this table. It was part of a PR package that Lionsgate Play sent me, I think, when they launched. And it's been so handy in the pandemic because I've been working in bed or, you know, like sitting there and shooting with it and whatever. And it's really been very convenient to use. So yeah, that's where it's from. Unfortunately, I can't give you any details because a lot of you ask me in every video that you see it. You're like, where's that table from? And then there's, of course, me chilling on the bed. The painting Weber made of me. So yeah, I think I've done a decent job of cleaning, and I've also put my Cosmo award there for now, like that. And now it's time to eat some lunch. Now I know what you're thinking. Thai green curry, but it's actually moli. Okay folks, we are in the other room on the other bed now, which is where I actually sleep for now. Taking a bit of a break to finish my Penthouse season 3 episode that I couldn't finish last night. Like I was falling asleep and I didn't want to miss stuff with the subtitles. So I was like, okay, I have about like 20 minutes left or 30 minutes left. So quickly gonna finish that. Then take this cutie. How cute does he look when he sleeps? You know, like I still take 200 pictures and 200 videos of him every time he sleeps. Oof. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my episode and then take this cutie for a walk. It's bath time. Going for the bath. Good baba, good baba. Okay, come now, let's apply our pack. Who's a good boy? It's Majula. Let's marinate you and then you can chill. Is she a good boy? Maz? Maz is a good boy or no? Kissy Apple? Kissy Apple? Don't be so angry. Don't be so angry. Kiss Apple? High five? Give Mama high five? Good boy. Good boy. Okay folks, bath time is done. I do not think I can do the gardening bit today. It's already like 6:30 almost in the evening. Quite knackered now after the cleaning and the giving him bath and all that, and I just want to kind of chill, you know. I feel like my Sundays become more hectic than other days. Does that happen with you as well? Also, I want to introduce you guys to my newest discovery, Sifa Bakery. Thank you Rohan Joshi for posting this on your Instagram, because you guys know how much I love baked goods, right? So I ordered this I think a couple of weeks ago, and then I ordered it again. So here's what I got. So these are the coffee cream buns. This is the fluffy cake, which is really like, can you see? Like, it's yum. And this, my friends, is my favorite, the buttercream rolls, and that's what I'm gonna have right now. Just heat it in the microwave for like 10 seconds and it is divine. I also got some of their Japanese bread. This is actually what he posted, which took me to their account. And then you guys know how I just order baked goods. Like, I asked for the menu, saw the buns, and I was like, okay, I want the buns, I want the fluffy cake, and I want the bread. You know, that's what happens when you go for bread and then you end up coming back with a whole bunch of baked goods. So yeah, just gonna eat one of my buns right now and then take a shower myself and maybe watch something, or maybe get on Clubhouse. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Actually, you know, I have to train Mars first. It's Mars' training time. So I'll eat my bun, train Mars, then have a bath, and then chill. Actually, then it'll be time for me to make my dinner. So I don't know when I'm gonna chill, but okay, yeah. Let's at least eat a bun. Okay, so I think I overheated it a bit and everything is oozy, but it's soft and yummy. Oh my god. This is heaven. Give me a high five. Stay. Stay there, Mars. Stay. Good boy. Stay. 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 Rick! Come on. Get it. Good boy. Sit. High five. Good boy. Another high five. Good boy. Which hand is it? Which hand is it? That is a fluke. Which hand is it? Smarty? Which hand? No way, Mars. Good boy. Good boy, my smart boy. Who's my smart boy? Which hand? No. Wrong answer. Sit, Mars. Last one. Wrong answer. Come on. Which one? Good boy. Here we go. Come on, through. Very good. Through. Come on, through. Very good. That's it. Good boy. Wonderful, my darling. Wonderful, my darling. That was a good play date, right? High five, another high five, another high five. Here. Good boy. Take it. Okay, so finally showered and I'm chilling now on my fresh sheets. You guys know I need to have fresh sheets after Mars has a bath and I have a bath. So yeah, made the bed, washed his bed, all that's done, and now I'm just chilling to like chilling to sit down is what I was gonna say, but I'm sitting to chill. Actually gonna eat some shrimp crackers, some more Korean chips. You guys know that's my jam these days. And just watch something and then probably make like a grilled cheese later. But I do like really different grilled cheese sandwiches now. I do like kimchi grilled cheese. I do like a salsa grilled cheese. Yeah, it's really yum. So yeah, in a bit, but right now just gonna watch something, just gonna chill. Also, before I go into that, I know a lot of you will ask me about Mars's bath routine and what I use, because many people ask me whenever I post it. So it's I actually get these powders from back in the day. They're a great brand. I will also put Mars's favorites video here or here, wherever it pops, I've forgotten. It has all the details, like the details are in that. But yeah, I use the soap and the powders from them, and they're fab, and like it's all natural and great for his coat, and he doesn't love the bath, but I think he feels great after. So that's what I use for him. What else did I have to say? There was something else I wanted to say, but I forgot. Okay, gonna move on. Scary Chef Sherry is back, guys. It's been a while since you've seen her, right? I think it's been like nearly 2 months, but as I said, we're making a grilled cheese with my shokupan, which is the Japanese milk bread, which is supposed to be amazing. Very excited to try that. But just gonna make a grilled cheese with some cheese, obviously. I've got some meltos, which is amazing also for grilled cheese, some ham, some kimchi, some salsa, some butter, and we're just gonna mix it up and make 3 sandwiches, I think, for me, or maybe 2. Let's see. How beautiful is this? Yumza! Okay, Scary Chef Sherry has a problem. The bread is just so soft that it's falling apart because I don't have a bread knife, so I kind of wrecked it. Like, I've made really big slices. So we're gonna do 1 grilled cheese proper and like 1 maybe ham and cheese toast. Also, I've eaten like half the loaf just like this because it's so delicious.
라온님, 솔직하게 말씀을 드리면
Good clean boy. Who's my good clean boy? Yes, 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 yes. My yummy boy. There's nothing like a dog that's just had a bath. You know, like it's the best feeling to have them around you, where you keep kissing them and like hugging them. I mean, I do that anyway, but like the day he's had a bath, I give him extra kissy. Good boy. So yeah, that was a rather large meal. I feel stuffed right now. I feel like I ate half the loaf, I think, at least, or like 3/4 of the loaf. And man, it's a lot of bread. It was so divine. Also, if you haven't tried like kimchi and cheese in a grilled cheese, you must. It is divine, so yummy, like spicy, and especially with this kind of bread, because the bread is like little sweet, and then you've got cheese, and then you've got like the spice. Whew, okay. Scary Chef Cherry is checking out. So guys, it's been quite a day, a busy Sunday. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite part from today. And I will see you guys soon. Mazi, say good night. Good night from Marsh. Yes, 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 yes. Good, good.